They make it affordable for anyone to be able to have this done. And that's what I think is the best part about it. People will drop thousands of dollars on a new big screen TV that they're gonna end up replacing in 2 or 3 years. Your hair is gonna be with you for the rest of your life.
Per day cost of what the benefit is on a daily basis, it's so ridiculous, the benefit to the cost.
I'm very glad, and if I had to do it over again, I'd do it again and again and again.
You don't have to be some super rich guy that flies off to get this done in secret. You can get it done quickly, affordably, and you can get these kind of results for the rest of your life.
If I could do this again, I'll do it 100 times. Just because it's changed me. Not just my appearance, just inside. Just feel better about myself. And that's worth everything.
The rest of your life, you will have hair and you'll be happy every day that you did it.